Hey, how's it going, guys? Geek Shrikant here. It's so good to be back again. It's been such a long time, and today I thought I'll be treating you with an unboxing of new Boat Rockerz 380. It's an on-ear wireless headphones, and I just received it. So I bought this, didn't receive it from Boat. Just putting it out there. Let's look at the specs. On box it's written it has 350 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, up to 20 hours of audio bliss, redefined HD 40mm drivers, premium sound quality and balance, Bluetooth Tech version 5, smooth matte black finish. Oof, I love matte black. Seamless communication with inbuilt mic, that's good, and easy slide control access. So you can basically, I guess pause. I don't know about that, but you can play next or previous song, I guess, something like that. Probably that only. I might have to dig deep on what those three buttons over here can do. And adaptive earcuffs and headband. So that's pretty much it. That information they're giving. So without wasting any time, let's get into the unboxing. Opening the box. Let's get that out. And we are greeted with the headphone itself. So guys, one good thing I like about this headphone, the one thing that also made me buy this phone, this headphone, I'm really sorry, is that this also has an option to use it through 3.5mm jack. So if you have a phone which doesn't have an 3.5mm audio jack, you can use it as a Bluetooth headphone, or if you have the one which has both, of course, a Bluetooth one and an audio jack, I think you can use it in both ways. It is matte, and I would say the look is really good. I mean, it depends from person to person. In my sense, I like it. We get this charging and the aux cable and warranty and all paperwork. So I'm just going to keep it like this. I don't want to take it out. We'll rate it later, I guess. I'm just saying. So this has good flex to it. So as I said, you can keep it like this. It's compact. Well, heads are really big. They're huge. Well, here are the buttons. Very tactile. And inbuilt mic, I guess, or no, I guess that's a light. Just a notification as such for your battery percent. If battery goes down, you're down to really less of battery juice, I guess it will light up. It will show you, I guess. So once I'll check it out, I'll know. This is where you charge it and your jack. That's good. A good headrest. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to go and check wherever I can find it. I bought it from Amazon. I'll put a link to that, and if I get for Flipkart, I'll do that as well. So that's it, guys. That is the Boat Rockerz 380. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a quick unboxing just to give you guys some treat on Sunday. I hope you liked it, and as always, be happy and stay positive. Enjoy, and happy Independence Day to all of Indian people. Great, guys. See you. Bye.